Hello there, this is Mike Harris, and thanks for tuning in and meeting my cat that is named Kitty. It is Sunday, July 14th, and just doing a little compilation of pictures and videos that I've put together of my cat, Kitty. Now, he used to be primarily an outdoor cat, and now over time, and as he's getting older, he's probably around 10 years old, he is pretty much an indoor cat. And when I get home, I let him outside, so he gets to still experience outside. But here is my cat, Kitty. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.